XG, Nini and Gardner, the Aussie. Pon's a career best 13th on the grid for him out of Gartho and Cyrene. Joe Roberts, who was on pole, of course, wasn't he, in Qatar? 16th out of Brit, Jake Dixon, and Fabio De Gian Antonio, who topped Q1. Strangely out of sorts, Tom Luthi, his worst qualifying since Argentina 2014. He's 19th out of Buliga and Corsi. Ben Schneider, Manzi and Fernandez are on row 8, then it's Ramirez, Chantry.
Turn 6 we go. Marini from Nagashima and his teammate Martin, and Canet and Bedzeki, and now a second gap back to Marcel Schrotter in 6th.
Dixon just at 1:46.153, so that's obviously him completing one of the 2 long laps he needs to do, although it may well be the second.
Luca Marini, what a ride, a brilliant win, you know, after leading so much of the first round in Qatar. I think he led from lap 2 to lap 14 in Qatar before his front tyre went off, and he ended up crashing in that last corner clash with Jake Dixon, but he managed to tyre brilliantly tonight to take that strong win.
Yes, and the 2 Red Bull KTM IO boys finishing in 2nd and 3rd. Sam Lowes, we spoke about how much he needs to have a good season with Marc VDS. Well, that's a very good 13 points from him. And the 2 Aspart teammates of Aaron Canet and Hafizh shahrin. Shahrin back in Moto 2 and picking up 10 points in Jerez. A physical battle in Moto 3, more of a mental battle in Moto 2 as Marini